Morning everyone. How are you all doing? Uploaded the 100th episode last night. It's a bit of a shame that it was crap, but it's just how it went, unfortunately. I haven't really filmed much at all, actually, the last few weeks even. I've been working a lot down in the garages, so it's been a bit dark and gloomy, and I've just been putting shifts in. Oh, I'm glad when this pissing around with pills is over. A few more days and this fucker will be out and I can carry on with my life. It's starting to wear me a bit thin, to be honest. Alright everyone, plan for the day. I'm gonna go do some more work for a bit. Oh. And then when Marie finishes, we're gonna head out of the valley for a few days. Cold start this morning. We've stayed up the valley a little bit. Getting a bit sick of staying at that lake, so decided to come up here. Ooh. It's still cold. Oh god. Not too bad though. Oh no. It's a ball ache, innit, pal? Me and you today, buddy. What's the matter? Hey, what's the matter? Say hello to everyone. Oh, I scratched the lens. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, at this point, if it wasn't for the skiing, I'd probably have f***ed off by now, because, you know, the cold has been good, it's been fun, it's been an adventure, but it's starting to wear thin a little bit. But it's all good, because skiing's fun. We're still loving it, so it's worth it. It's worth staying. And obviously we've both got work here now, so you know it's all right. There's a balance, but yeah, if what I would recommend to people, 100%, unless you're going to be doing winter sports like skiing or whatever, just don't bother. Seriously. Not in this kind of climate, because it's hard. Like, there's no getting around it. Life is hard, but, you know, it wouldn't be fun if it was easy, I guess. So it's all part of it. Right, it's time to head down the valley. I don't know if I'm going to film while I'm working today, because I'm working in the garages again and not working on the van. I cleared out a garage the other day, built a new door, you know, just work stuff. Right. If it was me on the other side of the camera, you know, I'd want to be watching these videos to kind of escape the normal life kind of thing. And watching me work isn't really doing that, so I'm not going to bother. Time to hit the road. Check this out, folks. Not sure what this stuff is. I haven't seen it for a long time. Is that grass? Feels like bloody years since I've seen grass. Nice though. Just waiting for my friend to come and pick me up, so I thought I might as well charge my batteries for a minute in the sun. Oh god. I'm going to be in a dark garage all day, so make the most of it. This lake's obviously been frozen solid for a couple of months. I've seen people walking on it at one point. And now it's back to this and it feels bloody amazing.
You'll see the stadium they built for the Olympics as well.
Right. I mean, that's not the kind of thing you think, oh, I'm just going to pop out and go down the ski jump a couple of times.
I think they lock it for security.
Somebody with skis there now. See him? Yeah, walking in the middle, on the left. Got skis on his shoulder. Oh, wow. Doing it. Oh!
Fuck! Walking up,
yeah.
there they are. I've never ever seen it used, ever.
Bloody hell.
Ever.
That's the landing there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hello, that's perfect. Can you drive down here? Not sure you can.
Oh, you've got such a good view.
Nah, this is a path here. You definitely can't drive down here.
I have to watch them out. Oh, definitely can't drive down here. Got a good view though. Yeah. There was a support system underneath, but it would have to exactly mould the line of the roof, wouldn't it?
To be honest, I half think you can.
Wait, look for the days. I'll find out where you guys have gone. Give my love to Marie. Thank you again. I'm so chuffed. Thank you.
See you later.
See you, babes. Bye.
See you later. Yeah? Yeah. Did you get our video that sent?
Yeah.
Fucking sick. We'll just
Say hi, Bubble. Say hello. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going?
adventure time, Bubble. Adventure time. I'll apologise in advance to everybody because there's probably not going to be a video for the next few days because there is absolutely no phone signal where we're going.
Is there not?
I've got to tell you that bit.
Oh, I don't care.
I like. Sorry. Alright, quick fuel stop. Okay. I love having to clip all the swearing out of my videos.
You filming now?
Always.
No, not always. Oh, sorry, Bobby.
It's always now.
I can't keep up with your always, mate. What the shit?
Yeah, it should be always.
Well, that doesn't help me.
Just assume it's always. Will you stop with the leakage? It's a problem when you're in a valley. At some point, you've got to climb out of it. Oh, she's not liking this very much. If I keep the revs high, drops the vibrations right off. Shouldn't be doing this. Right, no, I should not be doing this.
Oh, right, yeah.
But you only live once.
Yes, YOLO, as they say. Oh, mate, look at the mountains lit by moonlight.
New place.
Christmas tree.
I mean, for a roundabout. Is that a rooster?
Oh my god, it is.
Let's see.
Why though?
Driving in the night again makes for great YouTube videos. Sorry. I mean, people can't see anything. That's all crap. All you can see on the camera.
Cool.
Snow now, we're at 739 metres. Oh,
Oh no.
oh, Gordon.
No. Oh me, I'm worried.
Yeah,
At what point is too bad? If it gets steeper than the snow, this is ice even, it's not even
yeah,
snow.
I know, this is a problem.
I don't think we should go up any higher.
We have to.
We have to.
We've got this. I have to put chains on, I have to put chains on. Where's the punt?
Snow chains!
Both for. Remember I was telling you about the cheese?
Yeah.
That's where it is, made.
Oh, okay, cool. Uh-oh. Oh.
That's
Okay.
rock solid ice. that
Yeah,
is.
mate, I don't know about this, to be honest.
Right.
I'm worried.
I feel like we're going down now, so that's okay. But then we're going to go back up
And then you're
there.
going to go back up, yeah.
That's where we're going, in them mountains. Oh no, if we get there and it says pass closed, I'm going to kill myself.
The roads have got to be clear, because look, there's people who live here. So,
We're still 28 kilometres.
Turn left, then turn right.
any vehicle in winter time. Mate, that's so depressing.
With the Jeep, we could do it.
You couldn't road close to any vehicle in winter time. I mean, that means it's impassable. Oh no, come on.
Doesn't that is like sheer ice as well?
I bet it's completely melted.
Yeah. Well, that's a shame.
Oh, I'm so pissed off.
Is there any way you can check things like this before we set out?
Oh, mate.
No way we're gonna stay.
Kill me.
Don't go off the edge.
Try not to. Oh, I can't even get to that. I wanted to go right over to the mountains. I thought we'd at least be able to get to the lake. Sometimes I think, right, imagine if it didn't have sat-nav.
Fucking hell.
Does that mean...
You don't know, you've never been there before.
There we go. Oh look, you can see so much on the camera, it's unreal.
Whoa.
Dude. Switch to phone in a hot sec.